Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of my Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and covers a great song called On Broadway. It was written by Barry Mann, Cynthia Weil, Jerry Liebert, and another gentleman named Mike Stroller. Now On Broadway has been covered by countless artists over the decades. Some big names like George Benson, the Drifters, Dave Clark 5, James Taylor even did a version of this great song. However, the inspiration for the Acoustic Lounge version comes to you from vocalist Paul Rodgers of Bad Company and guitarist Jeff Beck. Their version appears on the 1994 soundtrack to the Cowboy Way. If you've never heard it before, look it up. It's a great rocking rendition of this great song. So, we're going to perform the song first, then we're going to review the chords and the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great classic song, stick around. We're going to get started right now.
Say the neon lights are bright on Broadway. You say there's always magic in the air. But when you're walking down the street, you ain't had enough to eat. The glitter rubs right off and you're nowhere. They say the girls are something else on Broadway, but looking at them just gives me the blues. 'Cause how you gonna make some time? All you got is one thin dime. One thin dime won't even shine your shoes. They say that I won't last too long on Broadway. I'll catch a Greyhound bus for home, they say. They're wrong, I know they are, 'cause I can play this here guitar, and I won't quit till I must start on Broadway. I'm gonna make it, yes I will, on Broadway. I'm gonna be a big, big man on Broadway. I'm gonna have my name in lights on Broadway. Everybody's gonna know who I am on Broadway. On Broadway. On Broadway.
Okay, let's have a closer look at the chords that you're going to need to know to get through the Acoustic Lounge version of On Broadway. There are only 5, and they're all very, very easy chords. Let's get started. First one is an A major. You're going to need to know a G chord. You're going to need to know a D. There's a C chord in it as well. Now, I actually use a C add 9. You can use either or, both work just fine for this song. And lastly, there's an E major. That's it. Those 5 chords are going to get you all the way through this song. Let's take a few minutes now and have a closer look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. Okay, there it is. It's a little unique, a little different, but still very, very easy to play. We're going to review both the verse and the chorus together. The song basically starts on the A major chord. Here we go. They say the neon lights are bright on Broadway. They say there's always magic in the air. To the chorus. But when you're walking down the street, you ain't had enough to eat. The glitter rubs right off and you're nowhere on Broadway. That's really it in a nutshell. And that simply repeats itself through the rest of the verses and the choruses to the song. Very, very easy to play. There you have it, On Broadway. Thank you for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.